Behind the gates of Turkey's aerospace industry lies one of the most advanced fighter jet production ecosystems. Turkey's F-16 manufacturing and modernization facilities represent decades of technological development and engineering expertise. From precision assembly lines to advanced avionics integration, these factories reveal how Turkey has transformed from a defense importer to a major aerospace player. Within the factory, the process begins with structural components, sourced from specialized suppliers. Each part undergoes strict inspection before being integrated into the fuselage. Engineers rely on advanced alignment, systems, and digital modeling tools to ensure that tolerances are maintained within very tight limits. Fuselage assembly involves joining several parts using high fasteners and composite materials. Robotics and human expertise work together. Automated systems handle repetitive tasks, while experienced technicians perform critical inspections. This hybrid approach ensures efficiency and reliability. The Turkish F-16 has received significant avionics upgrades, including a new generation mission computer with faster processing capabilities, a digital cockpit display to enhance pilots' situational awareness, a modern communications system that supports network-centric warfare operations. The Turkish F-16 is capable of carrying a variety of advanced weapons, long-range air-to-air missiles, smart bombs and precision-guided munitions, anti-ship missiles, and precision ground attack weapons. Turkey is also integrating several domestically developed weapons to enhance military self-sufficiency. The modernization program enhances radar and sensor capabilities, simultaneous multi-target tracking, improved long-range detection capabilities, and integration with the targeting pod system for precision strikes. This allows the Turkish F-16 to engage both air, kara, and ground targets with high accuracy. The Turkish F-16 is equipped with locally developed electronic warfare systems that enhance survivability, a radar warning receiver to detect threats, a jamming system to disrupt enemy radar, and a countermeasure dispenser to evade missiles. One of the key advancements is data sharing capabilities, data links between aircraft, integration with drones, ground radars, and air defense systems, real-time tactical coordination on the battlefield. This enables faster and more effective operations. Quality control plays an important role throughout the process. Each stage includes test procedures, from structural stress analysis to electronic diagnostics. The goal is not just to assemble the jet, but to produce a platform capable of operating in harsh environments. One of the most important aspects of Turkey's current F-16 program is modernization. As warfare progressed, aircraft received new systems designed to increase survivability and combat effectiveness. Turkish engineers have integrated indigenous technologies such as advanced mission computers, electronic warfare systems, and improved radar capabilities. These improvements allow the older F-16 airframe to remain competitive against new generation fighters. Cockpit upgrades focus on pilot situational awareness, introducing modern displays, digital interfaces, and improved communications systems. These advances ensure that pilots can process battlefield information quickly, allowing for quicker decision-making during missions. After assembly and integration, each aircraft undergoes extensive testing. Field testing includes engine inspection, avionics verification, and hydraulic system evaluation. Once cleaned, the jet proceeds to flight testing, where test pilots evaluate performance in various scenarios. These flights validate everything from maneuverability to sensor functionality. Engineers collect large amounts of data during testing to ensure that the aircraft meets operational requirements. Only after passing stringent certification standards will the aircraft be ready for use. The factory's mission is more than just manufacturing. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO operations ensure existing fleets remain operational for decades. Turkey has invested heavily in maintenance infrastructure, enabling rapid upgrades and repairs without relying too much on external suppliers. This independence increases national security while reducing operational costs. This also positions Turkey as a regional hub for F-16 support, potentially serving allied air forces. Turkey's relationship with the F-16 began in the 1980s under a agreement aimed at strengthening NATO capabilities. While increasing domestic industrial capacity, Turkish aerospace industries TAI is the center for assembly, testing, and long-term support of the aircraft. Over time, engineers and technicians developed deep expertise not only in assembling aircraft, but also in upgrading and modifying them to meet evolving operational needs. The program allows Turkey to build hundreds of F-16s locally, creating a skilled workforce and building an aerospace ecosystem that includes avionics manufacturers, materials specialists, and advanced electronics companies. This industrial base now supports domestic defense needs and international partnerships. The F-16 remains one of the world's most widely used fighter jets due to its versatility, agility, and relatively low operational costs. Turkey's ability to build and modernize this aircraft domestically strengthens its defense, independence, and technological competitiveness. Furthermore, the knowledge gained from the F-16 program directly supports future projects, including the development of next-generation fighter jets such as the Khan. Engineers are applying lessons learned from decades of F-16 production to design a new platform that combines stealth, advanced sensors, and networked warfare capabilities. Despite its success, the program faces challenges, including supply chain complexity, geopolitical dynamics, and the rapid pace of technological change. Maintaining compatibility with international standards, while developing indigenous solutions requires careful planning and collaboration. However, Turkey's F-16 factories represent more than just production lines. They symbolize the country's evolution into a leading aerospace innovator. By combining international cooperation with domestic innovation, Turkey continues to extend the service life and effectiveness of one of the world's most revered fighter jets. Inside Turkey's F-16 fighter jet factory, precision engineering meets strategic ambition. Each aircraft reflects decades of experience, technological advancements, and national investment in aerospace excellence. As modernization programs continue and new fighter jet projects emerge, the F-16's legacy remains central to Turkey's defense strategy, proving that even legendary aircraft can evolve through innovation and determination.